Good morning, guys. Today we're going to talk about multiplication and division with integers. All right, so there are a couple rules when you're doing multiplication and division with integers. So let's start with multiplication. All right, so the first one, a positive times a positive is always going to equal a positive. All right, so that's the first rule. Second rule, positive times a negative always going to be a negative. All right, third one, a negative times a positive. We just switch that one. Always going to be a negative. Number 4, right? Negative times a negative. It's always going to be a positive. All right? And this is the most missed one right here because everybody assumes that's going to be negative. No, it's positive. All right? So let's do a couple examples. So do a couple examples for the first one. So the first one. So this is 2 times 2, right? Equals 4. So 2 positive numbers, right? 2 times 2. So, but you know 2 is positive, equals 4. So let's do 3 times negative 3. Oh, that's negative 9. 3. This, you can actually just do so negative 4 times 4 is what? Positive 9, negative 16. And then we have 4. We can do negative 5 times negative 5, which gives me positive 25. Alright, so that's the rules for multiplication with integers, alright? Alright, so let's move on to division. So dividing integers. Alright, so the first rule, still the same thing. A positive divided by a positive is going to equal a positive. Alright, number 2, a negative divided by a negative is going to equal a positive. 3, we're going to have a positive divided by a negative, which equals a negative. And then 4, we'll have a negative. 4, we're going to have negative over positive, which equals negative. Alright. So those are the 4 rules for dividing integers. And then here goes some examples, quick examples. So we got examples. Alright. So let's do one. Positive over positive. So if I do 2 over 2, that's going to give me a positive 1. That's just off the rules of integers. Rule number 2, if I do negative 8 over negative 2, my answer is always going to be a positive 4. And then for 3, if I do negative 6 over, nope. Number 3, that's positive divided by negative. So if I do 16 divided by negative 8, I'm always going to get a negative 2. All right, and then 4, let's do negative 27 over 3. That's going to give me a negative 9. Alright, so those are the rules for dividing integers, alright? And then don't forget P means positive, N means negative. So just if you remember those rules for multiplication and division, you'll be fine. Alright?